An officer of the DSS has told the Federal High Court in Abuja that the National Broadcasting Commission did not issue a license to Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, to import the radio transmitter he allegedly smuggled into the country to operate Radio Biafra. Mr. DDD, the federal government's fourth witness, made the statement before Justice James Omotosho while continuing his evidence-in-chief in Mr. Kanu's trial. Our senior reporter, Celestina Area, has more.
Mr. DDD, led in evidence by the prosecuting counsel Adeboyinka Awomolo, senior advocate of Nigeria, said the number of security agencies allegedly killed owing to the activities of members of IPOB and its armed group, the Eastern Security Network (ESN), in the southeast was between 170 and 200. The witness said shortly after he and members of his team recovered transmitter from a premises in Ugbolisuzo, Anambra State, and brought it to Abuja, the DSS wrote to the NBC to inspect it. On November 9, 2015, NBC sent an engineer who inspected the transmitter and wrote a report. The certified true copy of the provisional assessment of the radio transmitter report submitted by the NBC was tendered in court. The DSS official added that the radio license was not issued by the NBC to Mr. Kanu. Mr. DDD said an ESN member who he identified as Uzoma Benjamin, aka Oyeami, spoke about how he was recruited and how he allegedly received directives from Kanu, who he said directed them to kill security agencies and ensure that a deceased member of the group, Nkonso, was buried with 2,000 human heads. The witness also read where they said Oyeami claimed that he and other members of the group allegedly used the heads of 10 girls to prepare charms for their protection. Oyeami was arrested by the police. When the DSS requested from the police to access him, the police claimed he had escaped from custody. On how Ahmed Golak, former aide to President Goodluck Jonathan, was killed, he said he was among the first responders to the scene when the late chieftain of the PDP was killed and his corpse recovered. Under cross-examination by the defense lawyer Onyechi Biazu, the witness said there is no record of the importation of the transmitter said to have been smuggled into the country by Kanu. He admitted he could not say when the transmitter was brought into the country, but he was among those who located where it was kept in Anambra State and brought to the DSS headquarters in Abuja. On how they were able to locate the transmitter, the witness said the team used some equipment to analyze a video showing Kanu inspecting the transmitter to ascertain the location of the transmitter in Anambra State. When asked if he was aware that Radio Biafra was registered in London and broadcast from there, the witness said that when Kanu was arrested in Lagos 2016, he was arrested with his broadcast equipment. He admitted not being aware that the Imo State government had issued a statement to the effect that Golak's killing was political. At the conclusion of the cross-examination, the court discharged the witness, following which the Judge Justice James Omotosho adjourned further hearing to Thursday for the prosecution to call its fifth witness. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.